You're watching The Beginner's Guide, powered by the Christmas Light Academy, the #1 employee training system for Christmas light businesses. Tired of wasting time training new hires? Now you don't have to. Give your team the tools they need to succeed without the headache. Click the link below to unlock a special offer available only here.
Congratulations. Oh my gosh, I feel you. That was a lot of information, but we got through it. We learned a ton of stuff. We learned job safety, materials, troubleshooting, how-to videos. I mean, we just jam-packed a ton of information. So if you're feeling overwhelmed, don't worry. You can always go back and check out these videos. Your company will be doing a more in-depth brand training. That's where they're going to cover the specs, the details. You're going to see all the different type of materials that they use. And once you understand all the components in the brand that you're going to install, guys, all of this is going to make sense and come together and ultimately help you become a great permanent trim light installer. Thank you so much. We truly appreciate it. And we'll see you maybe on our Christmas light program.